This is Mateo with TechnoWeld. I'm the repair tech here at Metalman, and today we are going to be building a UWC2XL. Alrighty, so here we have all of our parts laying out. We got our bottom brackets here. This is our top shelf, our bottom shelf, our back plate, your 4 cable hooks here. This is our axle for our back wheels, our front casters, and then we have our handle here. And then we got all of our bolts and stuff over there, and latches for our handle, so you can keep it up or you can put it down. Let's get started here. First off, we set our brackets up like this. Our bottom shelf goes here on the bottom, so just try to get it all lined up here. As you can see, our holes are matching up. And then we're going to start with, there's 4 screws here, and that's just going to hold it all together. These 2 screws here we'll come back to. They are for our front casters. So let's go ahead and lock this in. So now we're going to put our top shelf on. First, you put your back brace on, so like that. Let's hold that in place for a second. And you put your top shelf on. I like to start with these bottom screws right here. There's 4 of them. So you got these 2 and then 2 up here. Start with your bottom ones. Okay, so now that's locked in place. And then you have 2 on the back side here. Alrighty, so now you got your whole top pretty much done. Going here, you have a stopper. So go ahead and screw this guy in. You can do your wheels next. I like to do the wheels at the end, so I'm going to put these holders here. I'm going to put all these on so that we can just finish up the top. Same thing on this side. Alright, we got all of our wire holders on. And so now we will move to, we're going to do the handle next. Alrighty, so now we're going to put our handle on. I like to put one on the inside, washer. Put one there. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Put that guy on. Put that guy in there. Grab a pair of pliers and just bend this guy so he doesn't come out. There we go. And then this will latch onto the other one here. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Washer there. Washer there. That guy on. And there we are. And now we're just going to do the same thing on this side. Except instead of putting these ones on, we'll be putting the handle in there. So, I like to line the handle up. That. Same thing, washer on the inside. So for this one, do them both around the same time. There we are. Washer, washer, and then your 2 pins. Grab your pliers. Twist them off. Okay. Your hooks right there. You flip this guy back over. And you have your handle. And then you can obviously, the latches are on there, so you can take that off and your handle comes down. We will be moving to the wheels. We are going to do the back wheels first. For the back wheels, you just grab your axle, your two wheels, feed this guy through, all the way to the other side here. Like so. Alrighty, and then for this, just gonna line them up. Like that. So we got our wheels on. Put a washer on there, washer on there. Then you put your pins. And your pins. Grab your pliers. Twist. And twist. Okay, so that's how you put those on. Now we are going to do our front casters here. So you just got your washers, your nuts, and then a locking nut. Hold on in there for a second. You're gonna have to hold this one tight. Like so. Washer on there, washer on there. Your two locking washers. And then nuts over the top. Then we're going to go ahead and use our socket. Tighten those up. 13 millimeter. There we are. Then lastly, we just have our chain. And you can put it on how you want, lengthwise. So a little tangled here. And there you are. And this is how you assemble the UWC2XL.